this video, I'm going to show you how to get data at a cheaper rate. Now, this is for MTN and Airtel user only. So I don't know if this plan works for other network, but it's mostly for MTN and Airtel. So I'm going to show you how to get 1 gigabyte of data for less than 135 naira, and you can get about 3 gigabytes for 400 naira, 45 gigabytes for 6,000 naira. So I know you have not seen this plan before. If you have seen this type of plan before, just type in the comment section. If you are using MTN, you want to get cheap data, or Airtel, you want to get cheap data, make sure you watch this video to the end. But there is a clause to it, so make sure you watch this video to the end to know how you can go about it. And you can use this data to do any activity or anything that you want to do online. So make sure you watch this video so that you can get the food. Welcome to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. You are the real MVP. Now, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome to this channel. On this channel, I share tips on how you can have an additional income source. So I make research about different opportunities, and once I confirm that they are real, I come to this channel to come and talk about them. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you drop your comment and like this video, share this video so that others will see this video. So let me go to my phone to show you how you can do that. You can get your cheaper data at a cheaper rate. If you want to do a normal subscription for both MTN and Airtel, the normal code is *312#. So I'm going to click on one. Then you click on always on, which is 5. So it shows that always on bundle with 3,000 I can get 15 gigabyte and it will last you for 30 days, and with 6,000 I can get 45 gigabyte, it will last you for 30 days. Now, so let me let's do the math. So let's divide 6,000 naira by 45. So which means you are getting 1 gigabyte for 133 naira. So you can see that. So this is a very cheap plan that you can use to get data that you can use for your daily work. Now, so let's calculate it by 3. So times 3, which means you are getting you are using 400 now to get, with 400 I can get about 3 gigabytes of data. So you can see that this is a very cheap plan that you can use to get data that you can use for your daily normal work online. So if you are always online, so use this plan to get cheap data from your MTN and Airtel. So this work for MTN and Airtel. So this is how to get your cheap data. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video so that others will see this video.